press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss an update from my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Harshada for those of you who are new to my channel. Today I have created this full glam makeup look after ages. It's been really long since I did a full glam full face makeup tutorial. Today's makeup is mostly using these products from this brand called Makeup Revolution. So you could easily call this a full face using Makeup Revolution. It's got all the drama that you need. It's got false lashes. It's got a very dramatic eye look. It's got the contour and the highlight and the dewy face. It's got the works. So if this is your kind of a thing, please keep watching till the end. So as you all can see, I've done this half of my face and I'm going to start doing this half in front of you. So if you are interested, keep watching. So first I'm going to start with prepping my eyelids, for which I'm using this LA Pro Girl in color medium. I'm going to apply it all across my lid and blend it. Then I'm going to do my brows, for which I'm using the Benefit's Brow or Go-Go Brow Palette. I'm literally just filling in the gaps and that's it. On the eyes today, I'm using the Sophx palette by Makeup Revolution. First I'm going to go in with this transition color, which is warm brown. Then I'm going to go in with the dark brown from the same palette with a small brush and apply it in the crease. This is to intensify your crease. Now to create a shadow effect, I'm going to go in with this really dark brown color and apply it right into the crease again. For the lids, I'm first going to go in with this color called Festive Flame. It's a shimmery eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go in with this color called Copper Coin. Like the name suggests, it's copper, and I'm going to apply it over the first color. And then I'm going to go in with this gold toned shimmery shadow and going to go all over with it on the lid. It's time to wrap the lid colors with a dark brown that we used first and create a beautiful crease shadow again. To highlight the brow bone, I'm using this highlighting shade from the palette. It's called Fairy Lights. And then I'm going to blend it with a large blending brush so that it does not look too sharp and in your face. Now I'm not a fan of eyeliner, but I'd like to tight line my lash line with this kohl pencil from Lakme. With an angular brush, I'm going to smudge it a little bit because I like that flirty, smoky, smudged effect. For that extra drama, I'm going to use the lashes by Glowmiere Beauty. They are in style Precious. Now moving on to the face, first I'm going to start color correcting. So I'm using this orange corrector from this brand called LA Girl. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm going to start smudging it, or rather blending it with a brush. For the foundation, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Foundation. This is the first time I'm using it. I'm going to mix it with a few drops of Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. This is in color Luminous Gold, and I think I used a little too much. The same colors that I applied in the crease, I'm going to go in with the lower lash line just to create that smoky, shadowy effect. And then I'm going to set it with the powder. Now for the cheeks, I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush palette again. I'm going to use the brown color for contouring, and I'm going to use this peachy pink color from the palette for blush. Then I'm going to highlight my cheekbones using this highlighting color from the palette. And then I'm going to finish this look with some mascara and a lipstick. The lipstick is from Makeup Revolution again. Don't you worry, I'm going to mention all the product details in the description box below. Here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching today's tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, please do leave your feedback because it matters to me a lot, and share it with your friends. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I really love making this tutorial for you, and I'll hope to see you in my next video really soon. Bye guys.